This has turned out to be a very bad campsite. Without any breeze, it's been an absolute sweatbox in there all night. I thought the payoff would be in the morning where I could sleep past sunrise, but here I am before sunrise, sweating all night long. And I've woken up to a puncture. This is my immediate suspect. It's been present for the last 2 punctures. This isn't the problem right now, but that is a problem. I think I'm going to put my spare tyre on. This wireless foldable tyre. And even though my regular tyre has done only 7,000 kilometres, which is disappointing, I think it's time to use the spare. I've listened for a second puncture. I've checked this one. Seems okay. Just in case I was in any doubt about the culprit of the puncture, I pulled 1 or 2 of these out of the tyre last night, but I thought I'd got away with it. Obviously not. If the cause of the punctures is these dry thistles, I need to be extra careful here, because I wasn't even riding, I was pushing the bike when I got that first slow puncture going into the farm shed to camp the other day. Wow, already pulled one out. I swear I'm far cooler now in the breeze and the sunshine than I was last night at 3 AM in that shed. It's very spiky around here. Far out. It got me. At this point I was really hoping for a new puncture, because if the patch I'd just done had failed and the glue wasn't working, then I was really screwed, because I had no spare tubes now. At least I know that the glue worked and the other patch is still fine. I don't love being watched as I'm working, but I'm on a work site, so perhaps I need to be supervised. One of the nice things about these wireless tyres is that it's easier to check the inside. Hopefully that's sorted then, but it seems I have another slow puncture, or the same slow puncture in the front. I really don't want to use, I've only got a little bit of glue left, so I really don't want to use the last of the glue on that if I can get away with it. I need a bike shop very urgently. I've got no new tubes and enough glue for maybe 1 more patch, and about 10 days before I reach Italy, so hopefully I can find a bike shop before then. I'm cutting back to the main road because I don't want to be in the back country for more punctures, but I hope this track wasn't a mistake. Today already. I fixed 2 punctures, spotted a 3rd. I haven't even had breakfast or even a coffee. It's not even 10 AM. I'm over it. No, Messi. No, Messi. That was beer he was offering, not cola. No, Messi. No, Messi. No, Messi. No, Messi. 1 dinar cappuccino. Okay, puncture repair on the back, looking absolutely fine. Newly discovered slow puncture on the front about 5 or 10 k's ago, looking okay for now. Water gift from a moving car. Yeah, it's a busy road, so the car didn't even stop. We just did a sort of relay thing. That's so nice because I've been really wary, obviously, of especially motorcyclists right now, and not particularly friendly. So, oh, it's so nice. Cold bottled water, not 35-degree tap water. Okay, maybe my fortunes are changing. There's 2 auberges in Kairouan. It's a weekday, so hopefully I'm going to find a place to stay tonight. Uh-oh. Closed for renovations. 5 kilometers across town to try my luck at the second one. Looks more promising. Bonjour. Bonjour. Alhamdoulilah. C'est la maison des jeunes. Vous avez une chambre pour moi, s'il vous plaît? Mashallah. Merci. Merci. Oh yeah! I didn't want to pay the 5 dinar for an aircon room, but he's given me an aircon room for free. What a legend. Must be the state of me.